In this video, I'll explain Split Layout View in Adobe InDesign CC 2015. Now, when you're working with a publication or any type of design, it's often very useful to be able to look at one portion of a design and then zoom in on another portion of a design and work on it. And InDesign has a really neat feature. It's one of my favorite things about InDesign, where you can click on this little icon just to the right of the horizontal scroll bar. I'll go ahead and click it. And there you can see on the left-hand side, we've got a full screen view of our document, and then we've got a closer view on the right-hand side. Now, the nice thing about this is both windows are totally editable, meaning that I don't have to just look at a full screen view. I can click over here and then zoom in really close, or look at another part of the document quite easily, just like that. And that's a really nice feature. So you can do that using this feature. Now, the point of this is that here, if I wanted to, let's go ahead and just add some text. Notice how, as I modified the text, that on the left-hand side, we're seeing those changes occur in real time. And that's the beauty of this feature, is the ability to look at different portions of your document, scroll in nice and fine, really close up if you need to make some sort of precise change, and you're actually just looking at two editing windows. It's as if you had the same document open twice in that split editing view. You can also resize the actual windows. So if I wanted to, I could make this one small or large, and notice how they automatically resize. So that's a really nice feature in InDesign. It's one of those things that as you start to use it, you're going to realize just how useful it is. It's really easy to access, and when you're finished in the split editing mode, just go ahead and click back here. Notice how that cursor's changed. I'll go ahead and click that. That'll close split editing mode and take us back to a single window document.